Hello friends and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily save your photos from gallery to files on your iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, put your likes, and also write your comments after watching the video. So let us get started with you. And you'll need to first open the gallery on your iPhone and then go to Photos. And now select the photo that you would like to save to your files. You'll be able to do this in two ways. You can simply tap on the photo. And in the bottom corner in the left-hand corner, click on Share. Or you can simply click on the photo and hold it down. So you will get the exact same menu. And this is where you also select Share, and then you go further into this menu. Here you need to choose Save to Files. And then you can save your photo to my iPhone, or you can create some folder, or you can save an existing folder. Now I want to show you how you can create a new folder. To do this, in the top right corner, click on the three dots, then New Folder. Next, you will need to name it something. And then you can click on Save. And save again to add your photo to that folder. And after that, you can check if your photo is added to the files. For this, you can go to Files section on your iPhone. Then find your folder, which you saved the photo. As you can see, we have it in the files. But what if you want to save not just one photo, but many? To do that, you have to go to the gallery at the top. Click on the word Select. And then you can click on more than one photo at a time. And after you select all the photos you want, at the bottom, on the left-hand side, click on the Share sign. Next, select Save Files in the same way. And then add your files or your photos. And now if you go to the Files app and see that several photos have been successfully saved to this app. Friends, this is the simple way you can save your photos from Gallery to Files app on your iPhone. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please, friends, put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.